Aloha, Rich Halverson here. This is ITS148. And in this video, I'm going to get you started on the Lab 9.12 calculator class in the classes chapter. So let me share my screen. Okay, so in this video or in this lab, all we have to do, or our job is to create this calculator class. We're given main.py here, and it does a bunch of stuff, and we have to actually type in the code. So here we create an instance of this calculator, and then we're gonna read in a couple of numbers, and then we're gonna print out the initial value, and then we're gonna test out these methods that we're gonna write. We're gonna write an add method, a multiply method, a subtract method, a divide method, and a clear method. And so here you see we have to first of all do these things here. So let's see what's a good way to do this. All right, let's just default constructor method to set the attribute equal to 0. So so down here we're going to say define the initialization, 2 underscores, INIT __ parentheses self. And this is the constructor, and basically all it does is set this value, this property called value, and it's going to initialize it to 0. 0.0, it's a real number. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, then we're going to create, then we're going to add an add method. So let's add an add method. I'm going to do def, I'm going to call it add, and it self is me, and then there's going to be a value that comes in, and I'm going to take this value and add it to, I'm going to add val that comes in here, the parameter, add that to the internal property here, value. Let's see, I'm gonna I might as well just see what this looks like. Okay, I'm just gonna test this out. Oh, okay. Counting added, created this, and then so it didn't do 16. Where did it die? Oh, line 17. Oh, it tried to print and it didn't print. It has no attribute. Get value. Oh, okay. I tell you what. Which one is that? Get value returns the attribute. Is that all? Okay. Well, let's add get value here. Def get value self, and that is going to return. This is going to simply return value, self value. Okay, now I'm going to run this and see what happens. Oh, that press this. Let's press the one. Okay, the input was that. My output was that. Oh, I see. So the first two I got right, but then it didn't get any of the rest of them right. But then what happened was when it tried to call multiply, it bombed out because there's no method called multiply. So I didn't get any points. Well, let's keep moving here. So subtract, multiply, divide. We just have to add all these, all right? We have to add, and I might as well put them in order here. Def, subtract. And that's just going to be self value minus value. And then there's going to be def multiply self val. And that's going to be multiplying it by itself, or multiplying it by value. Just do that. And then we got divide self val, and that's going to return self value divided by value. See, that works. And let's see what this does. Clear. There's no clear. Okay, because it's at the end, it's supposed to clear it out. Okay, there's no clear. All right, well, it's not going to let us get anywhere without everything. Okay, so let's put in a clear. Def clear self. Self value equals 0.0. I think that's probably all it is. I'm not going to press submit. You can press submit. Anyway, I hope this helps with this. This is another very simple problem. You just have to really understand these concepts of what a method is, what a class is, creating an instance of it, and so on. So anyway, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.